Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will compare Capital One Quicksilver and Savor. The Capital One Quicksilver and Savor cards both offer cashback but are designed for different spending habits. The Capital One Quicksilver is a super simple cashback card that gives you 1.5% back on every purchase. There is no need to track categories or activate anything, it just works. It has no annual fee, which makes it great for people who want rewards without extra cost. The card also offers travel and purchase protections, and there is no foreign transaction fee. It comes with a nice intro bonus and a 0% intro APR for purchases and balance transfers. It's not flashy, but it's reliable and easy to use. The Capital One Savor card is perfect for people who love going out and enjoying food and entertainment. It gives you 4% cashback on dining, entertainment, and streaming, plus 2% at grocery stores. That means you earn a lot when you go to the restaurants, concerts, movies, or shop for groceries. The card has an annual fee, but the rewards can easily make up for it if you're spending in those categories often. It also comes with a welcome bonus and health perks like no foreign transaction fees. You get access to Capital One offers and event pre-sales too. Overall, Capital One Savor is better if you spend a lot on dining and entertainment, while Quicksilver is better for simple, flat-rate rewards on everything. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you guys have value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.